Chicken tikka pocket. Add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast to a clean bowl. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Salt to taste. A half cup of warm milk. Mix well. Add 2 cups of flour to the mixture. Mix everything together by hand. Then, add enough water and knead the dough. Finally, spread some oil over the dough, then knead it. Set it aside for 1 to 2 hours until the dough ferments. Add some oil to a pan. Add 8 cloves of chopped garlic to the hot oil. Add some chopped ginger. A green chili. Fry until you can smell the aroma. Add a diced onion. Add chicken pieces. Let the chicken cook. Salt to taste. A half teaspoon of turmeric powder. One teaspoon of chili flakes. A half teaspoon of garam masala. A quarter teaspoon of red chili powder. Sprinkle some oregano. Add some sliced capsicum. Fry them until cooked. The chicken stuffing is ready. Now it's been 2 hours and the dough has fermented. Knead the dough. Divide it into 3 portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Dip a ball into the milk, then coat it with white sesame seeds. Roll the roller over it to shape them into circles. Divide it into 4 parts. Fry them in hot oil. Fry until golden brown. Cut it in the middle and spread some mayonnaise and ketchup over it. Place a slice of cucumber and tomato, then fill with the chicken stuffing. The chicken tikka pocket is ready. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with friends and family.